Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Hungry Tourist, where I take you on a virtual tour of the places I go. Today we are going to see the bright and busy streets of Times Square. Yes, you know, one of the most iconic spots in the world. That's where we're going. And please like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the video. It helps so much with the algorithm and makes it possible for me to make more videos. Taking a walking tour of Times Square is a great way to experience the energy and excitement of one of the most iconic locations in New York City. Here are some tips to help make your walk through Times Square a memorable one. There are many cool things about Times Square that make it an exciting and unique destination for visitors. Take in the sights. Times Square is home to some of the most iconic landmarks in New York City, including the TKTS booth, the NASDAQ building, and of course, the massive electronic billboards. Take some time to appreciate these sights and snap some photos. Bright lights. Times Square is famous for its brightly lit billboards and screens, which give the area a distinctive and dynamic appearance. The neon lights and colorful displays create a vibrant atmosphere that is unlike anywhere else in the world. Plan your visit for the right time. Times Square is always busy, but certain times of day can be even more crowded. If you want to avoid the crowds, consider visiting in the early morning or late evening. Explore nearby neighborhoods. Times Square is located in the heart of Manhattan, so there are plenty of other interesting neighborhoods to explore nearby. Consider checking out the theaters of Broadway, the shopping on Fifth Avenue, or the art galleries in Chelsea. Food. Times Square has a wide variety of restaurants and food vendors, ranging from fast food chains to upscale eateries. Visitors can try everything from pizza to sushi to burgers, and there are many options for different tastes and budgets. Events. Times Square is the site of numerous events throughout the year, including the New Year's Eve ball drop, the Times Square Arts Center, and the Broadway on Broadway concert. Street performers. There are many different types of street performers in Times Square, including musicians, dancers, acrobats, magicians, and comedians. They often set up in designated areas of the square or on the sidewalks, where they can showcase their talents to passerbyers. These guys were really fun to watch.
Hello! We want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for donating. That's our show. Thank you and God bless. It's never too late to donate.
Be aware of your surroundings. Times Square can be overwhelming. With bright lights and lots of people, stay aware of your surroundings and keep an eye on your belongings. Wear comfortable shoes. Times Square is a busy and bustling area, and you'll likely be walking quite a bit. Make sure to wear comfortable shoes that you can walk in for an extended period of time. Overall, a walking tour of Times Square is a must-do activity for anyone visiting New York City. Just be sure to follow these tips to make the most of your experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot to me and it helps me to continue creating videos that you'll love. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.